Does your Roborock S7 wheel look like this? Smooth, shiny, and completely white? If your robot is doing more drifting than cleaning lately, you've officially hit the slick stage. Here's the deal. That specialized rubber tread is designed for maximum grip, but after hundreds of hours of patrol, the friction eventually grinds the rubber down until it's as smooth as a marble. Ignoring those bald tires is a recipe for frustration. Not only will your Roborock S7 constantly get stuck on tiny rug transitions, but the lack of traction causes navigation errors that can ruin your map. Don't worry, you've come to the right place. Robocare has the perfect fix to get your Roborock S7 back on track. Our certified technicians have serviced thousands of Roborock units, and we know the S7's drive system inside and out. We understand exactly how much traction is needed for your bot to navigate transitions and climb rugs effectively. Replacing these wheels isn't just a DIY peel and stick job. Our team uses precision torque drivers and specialized alignment jigs to ensure the new drive modules are calibrated perfectly with the robot's internal sensors. We perform a complete teardown of the drive assembly, replacing those bald tires with genuine component. Why settle for a DIY gamble or an expensive replacement when you can have a professional repair? But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Check out that grip. This Roborock S7 is back to its prime. No more slipping, no more stuck notifications, just a perfectly clean hole. Ready to get your robot vacuum cleaner back on track? Contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.